Okay, so let's start our workshop. Okay, so you'll have to build a Boolean string for a title software engineer or software developer or software programmer who is from Bangalore or Hyderabad. And you can target to get profile either from LinkedIn or from Quora, whichever you feel comfortable. Or first go with LinkedIn, first from LinkedIn and then from Quora. And skills, what we're targeting is Java or Python or C++, and who is good at system design. When I say system design, it includes HLD or LLD. So you'll have to Google up what is HLD and what is LLD, get the full form of it. What is HLD or LLD in system design? You have to Google, you have to understand what is that, and then create a various words for system design. Means give a additional keywords which are related to system design. Okay. Is not sure. And you can start typing your questions over here. If you have any of the doubts, or you can unmute and ask. Okay, otherwise, let's keep it more interactive. I'll go first with Sinchana. Sinchana, share your screen and show that how you're creating a string and explain the approach. Why is that you're trying to do so? Sinchana, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so click on share your screen on a Zoom.
Share your screen.
This is the requirement. You go to the Zoom app
Okay.
and then you have a share screen app. So I'm sharing now. So if you go to this tab, you'll be able to see share your screen.
Showing that the host disable attendee screen sharing.
Screen sharing.
Shall I press OK?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's not sharing, sir.
Okay, let me stop. Now try. Can you see now?
Hello?
Yeah, can you see the option share screen? It just returns share screen. Once you click on share screen, one new window will pop up and then you have to click on share.
No, I'm not able to see anything, sir.
Can someone else try to share screen? Aishwarya, Aditya?
Yes, sir, I'll try. Sir, you have disabled the attendee screen sharing.
Oh, is it? Let
Yeah.
me see. How do I do that? Everyone public and privately save chat. Okay. Security. Allow participant to share screen. Now you see. Now I've allowed. Can anyone try sharing now?
Which one should I click on?
Click on
Screen?
share. Click on share screen. You can see the option
Okay,
share
one
screen.
second.
Yes, I think we can see your screen now.
You can?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, how am I supposed to get back to Zoom? Should I type here?
You take a Word document and start creating a string. Are you, have you joined from mobile?
Yeah.
Okay, mobile also you're able to share screen. Good. I'm not aware of that. From mobile we can share screen. Fine.
Okay, let me just
Okay, in
try.
mobile, go to Chrome only and start typing there itself. Here also you can keep it. It will be there
Okay,
for your
okay, Chrome then.
anywhere, wherever you feel comfortable.
Uh,
Explain the approach. Otherwise, go to Chrome. Sorry, this one, what we say, Google Sheet. It will be there for your.
is this okay if I type
Yeah,
in Google
completely
Chrome?
fine, completely fine. So you need to find software
Okay.
engineers from LinkedIn who are based out of, let's say, Hyderabad, and who have experience in
Mm-hmm.
either Java or C++
Mm-hmm.
or
Mm-hmm.
Python, and
Mm-hmm.
system design, which includes HLD or LLD. So you need to understand what is
Okay.
this. First, explain the approach, how you're going to do that, and why you're going to do that.
Okay. So I am going to put software engineer or software developer or software programmer in the in title. The reason being this is the designation and this is what we are looking for exactly.
Mm,
And I would be using the AND operator for location,
mm.
AND operator for the skill set, and I would be using the source as LinkedIn or Quora, and I'll be using the word site for the same.
No need of site as of now. You can use in URL.
Okay.
Your
I'm
screen
just
sharing
sharing.
is
Can you
disabled.
see?
Can you please reshare? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. 1 second. Mm, can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is it okay if I don't use in title in the very beginning and try it in a very normal way?
Yeah. Completely fine.
That's fine.
Mm.
Okay. So, I'll go with the basic. 1 second. Mm, yeah, better. software engineer or
Okay, let me give you some discount as you're searching on a mobile app because typing would be taking a time. Software engineer is enough. You can exclude other titles. So
okay.
just search for software engineer.
Okay. Mm.
Correct your Boolean.
Which one, sir?
First
Ah,
bracket.
yeah, right. Correct.
No, not this. If it is only one word, you don't have to use bracket. If you're using or between two different words or two different phrases or one word and one phrase, if you want either software engineer or software developer, that is where you're using that bracket. But now you're only searching for
Okay.
software engineer, so you don't have to use bracket.
Okay. Bangalore.
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 You can stick to Bangalore only. No need to search from Hyderabad, but yeah, I need a variations of Bangalore.
Bangalore. BLR. And Java. Should I use or and here?
You tell me. We need to find a skill who has been working on Java or Python or C++
Okay.
and who is good at system design.
Okay. Or
There is one extra
mm,
space before Python.
no, I guess.
No, before.
Oh, sorry. C++.
Even sometimes having an extra phase, extra space also messes up algorithm. Okay, so
Okay.
this is an additional learning. For a keywords like C++ or C sharp, which has alphabet along with some special character, has to be always in double quotes.
Okay.
Now C++, is a special character. So such kind of a keywords should be always in a double quotes.
Okay. I think I just
Paste it. I think you copied it.
no. Actually, I just messed it up. I'll have to type again. 1 second. Can I just type it in the doc and then copy paste it there? That would be better, I guess.
Yeah.
Sure. So I'll just do that quickly. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. We can.
Oh, sorry. You just corrected me there. Where engineer.
Rest others can keep a string ready. We'll come immediately to you as well.
And
Also, you can keep on seeing what she's trying to share.
Bangalore or Bengaluru or BLR and Java, Python, plus plus. And sorry. SLD,
Not
sorry,
S, HLD it is.
HLD, HLD or LLD. Okay. Am I missing anything? Designation, location. Oh, I'm missing the LinkedIn or Quora part.
Hmm.
Um,
You can find from LinkedIn first.
I'm not very sure how do I type LinkedIn here on Google Chrome.
No,
Should
no,
I just
space.
mention in URL?
Yeah, yeah. Here itself you mention in doc.
Okay, 1 second. What do I do? In sorry, in URL. URL should be small or capital, sir?
This everything should be small. Operators like in URL, in title, related. These are the operator which should be used in small. Operators like and or not
Okay.
should be in capital.
.com/in. Does this work? Should I put this ahead or in the end?
Anywhere it's fine. Unless it is not, we are making sure that it is mentioned at the last. But otherwise, this kind of a operator, we can mention it anywhere. That should be fine.
Okay. So this is fine, sir. Am I making any mistake? Should I change anything?
For now, for the first approach, it's fine. Just check how is it working.
Okay. I'll just try copy pasting this on Google Chrome. Copy.
Keep this as it is.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Thank you. How many results are there? Why isn't it showing how many results?
I think you're on mobile, so that's reason.
Okay.
If you're on laptop, it will be able to show.
Get the answer.
Scroll
Okay.
down. More results.
More
Click on more
results.
results.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. Now, Google for what is HLD and LLD or system design. Okay. Google it for what is system
Okay.
design in a new tab and add additional words.
What is HLD or LLD?
See, under system design, HLD or LLD will come. So you can search for what is system design first.
Okay. Uh, oh. Okay. Should I go ahead?
Yeah. Add additional words for system design. Okay, now you search for HLD, then LLD one by one. Take some words from here related to system design.
Okay, 1 second.
From the first para itself, wiki para. Most of the times refer to the wiki para because wiki has a lot of information and appropriate information from the various users. System design is a process of defining the architecture, module, interface, and data for a system to satisfy specific requirements. System design could be seen as an application of system theory to product development. There is some overlap with the disciplines of a system analysis, system architecture, and system engineering. So in this first para itself, what are the words you can pick? System design is the process of defining the,
Architecture.
yeah, you can take architecture.
Okay. And there is some overlap with the disciplines. System analysis. System analysis.
Not require. That is analyzing
Okay.
the system, not designing the system. So that's the reason it says there is overlap. There is some overlap with disciplines of system analysis, system architecture, and system engineering.
Correct. Data for a system. Okay, so I'll use architecture for now. Should I go back?
Yeah, now HLD and LLD you can search for.
Oh, not this one. What is this? 1 second. HLD.
Take that. What is HLD and LLD? Yeah.
High level design, low level design.
If you're on a laptop, then on a right hand side you'll have additional options of people also search for and related some terms. So that is better to pick from additional keywords also. But this is also fine. But
Okay.
you would require a lot of scrolling.
Should I just directly put synonyms or related to HLD or LLD?
Yeah, good. We can
Will
keep
that
that.
work here?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, let me try doing that. Related.
Related would work mostly for .com, not for the words. But see, in case if it is working for some of the words.
LLD. Conversion. What is CORP?
I don't know.
SDC workflow designer. I don't think this is working.
That's okay. You just put system design architecture, HLD or LLD. Maybe we can explore.
In the
How,
same string or
yeah.
here?
No, in same string. Go back to the string in a Word document.
Okay, 1 second. Okay,
Modify a
Word
string now.
document.
Modify now. Give the additional keywords related to HLD, LLD.
Architecture. Anything else? System design?
Yeah.
Oh. Should I add anything more? As of now, I think I know this one.
Yeah, this much is enough for now. Maybe let other people have something to explore.
Okay, I'll search this.
Other people can search for types of system design and pick some additional keywords. Till then, will come.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here
Good
we are,
enough.
the results. Thank you. Okay, I think this is a good keyword. Distributed system design. No.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
yeah, good keyword. Distributed system. Look at the results, look at kind of additional keywords, pick from that, again add. Open this profile, Satyanarayana Panduranga, Principal Software Engineer at Walmart Super.
Where is it? Principal software engineer.
Nice. Specialization, scalable web architecture, search, big data analysis, internet security, B2B commerce, telecom, mobile, speed applications, key skills, object-oriented analysis, and design. He has a lot of good keywords in his profile. Designing products. High scalability. Nice. Multi-tenancy, fault tolerance. Good profile.
Should I check one more profile for more keywords?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just do that. Python, Golang, data structure, algorithm, system design. Should I open his profile? Alok Chaudhary?
Sure. Open in incognito. If it is asking to sign up, you can open in incognito. On the road. Yeah,
Okay.
it's asking to sign up. You can download